everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, my name is Amy and welcome to a little at-home workout. So obviously with everything that's going on at the moment, I feel like the least safest place, I'm just putting some socks on because I know that someone's going to come for me for my barefoot, so I literally just putting some socks on now. We all are probably going insane and want to do a bit of a workout. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. I know I'm going to do full body because I personally haven't worked out in about over a month. So I'm going to do a little weighted workout and like do some sets, do like a full body, so like arms, everything I can think of to do basically. I'm not a PT, I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but I'm just going to do a little workout with you guys and hopefully it will give you some ideas if you do want to do like a bit of working out while you're at home. I'm quite lucky because I've got some weights, but obviously if you don't have weights you can pick like, I don't know, for instance like some moisturiser, and if you're holding that whilst doing something, it's going to be doing more than if you was to hold nothing. Do you know what I mean? Obviously you can try and find something heavier, I don't know, but yeah, so I'm going to crack on and do a little workout. I'll talk through everything I'm doing. Obviously I'm not a PT and I'm probably going to do things wrong. I'm probably going to not have the correct posture or whatever, but yeah, I'm just going to do a workout and hopefully it will help anyone who's going absolutely insane who's staying at home. Yeah, so let's just try and stay sane and get fit together. So I'm going to probably start off with just like mat work. I've got a little yoga mat. You can literally, all of this you can probably order on Amazon, so I might leave links for everything that I use on Amazon in case anyone does want to like get anything, because I think like places are still delivering, so you should be able to get it. So I'm going to start off with some mat work. I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see. And now I'm going to do, sorry this is going to cut my head off, just, oh my god, just go with it. So what I'm going to do is squat, walk forwards, hold, walk back, up, squat, walk forwards, hold, walk backwards, squat, up. And then if you want to make it harder for yourself, which is what I'll do, I feel like I'm teaching a body attack class right now, you can go squat, walk forwards, tap, tap, walk backwards, squat, up, squat, walk forwards, tap, tap, walk, up. No. So I'm going to do that for 5 times, and then on the 5th one I'm going to stay down and I'm going to do just push-ups. So push, normal push-ups. I probably do about 15 if I can, and then I'm going to do, okay, so I'm just going to repeat that 3 times for this set. And then I'm going to move on to like arms and more squats, and then probably more abs as well. Whew. Okay. Okay, you should definitely be feeling warm now. Okay, so I'm going to move on to some arm work. So obviously I've done a lot of arms. I've done like very full body. I've done like abs. I've done a bit of bum. Actually, we're going to move on to more bum. Which I would show. I would show you with a resistance band, but I haven't got my good ones, and these Primark ones I don't recommend because they're literally like an elastic band and they just roll off. So we're going to do leg mat workout. Oh god, my arms hurt. So what I'm going to do is up, and you want to, when you get up, you want to really squeeze. So we'll do 6 on this leg, and then 6 on this leg, and then you want to do the like, what's it called, water hydrant, that one. So we'll do 6 on that leg and then 6 on the other leg, and the last one we'll come onto our front, lay on your hands, I find it easier, and we'll do 12 leg raises. So I'm quite aware that these movements might not all go together, but you know, I'm literally just doing what's coming to my head, and you know, I'm working out at the same time and I'm potentially helping someone else. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm going to finish off all the mat work with a plank. So what we're going to do is hold the plank for 30 seconds, and then we're going to twist to each side 3 times each side, so 6 sides. Have a break, do that 3 times, and then I'm going to move on to arms. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So you get your plank position, oh god, get in your plank position, and then after 30 seconds you're going to 1, 2, 4, and do that 3 times each side, and then we'll have a break. So you might need your phone or something to just time yourself. Okay, clap yourselves. I'm sweating. Okay, so you have to ignore my underboob sweat. That's really attractive, isn't it? So what I'm gonna do, God, I'm gonna crouch. So what I am going to do now is some bicep curls, and then we're going to do lat raises, and we can do like tricep dips as well. So I'm going to do that in a superset. Okay, so you can see what I'll be doing now. Ignore the background. Right, let's put my music on. Okay, so we have done a lot of abs, we have done a lot of arms, and finally we've done some bum as well, like hip thrusts and our kickbacks and stuff. So now I'm going to do some squats just to finish it, and maybe some lunges. Yeah, we'll do squats and lunges. We'll do a little mini superset. So we'll do 12 squats and then 6 lunges each leg, break, 12 squats, 6 lunges each leg. I am going to hold weights because why not? Oh, I have this one. I don't know how much this is, but it's pretty heavy. I'm going to do my squats with this, and then I will hold those dumbbells when I do my lunges. I'm just going to rearrange the camera actually before I... That is my little quarantine queens home workout. Oh my god. So yeah, that was a little home workout just to get you guys moving. Some of you always ask out what my workout routine is in the gym. Obviously that wasn't it, but a lot of those things I do in the gym anyway. So obviously if you don't have weights, you can do it all unweighted, or if you've got anything like a heavy book or something like that that you could use as a weight, then you know any added extra like intensity is obviously going to help like improve better results. Obviously I'm not a PT, probably did everything wrong, but I've raised my heart rate, I'm feeling good, I've got my endorphins going and I'm feeling fresh. I'm gonna go and walk the dog now, might even run, I don't know. Obviously add some cardio in if you want to. go for a walk or go up and down the stairs, like run up and down the stairs. Obviously be careful though. Yeah, add a little bit of cardio, maybe like some jumping jacks, something like that. They always really get your heart rate up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit different, but you know, we're trapped in our own homes, so what better way than to have a little workout? And I feel good because I haven't done that in so long. But if you do want to see any more, this one was like quite all over the place, didn't really plan it, but if you do want to see any more like little workout routines with me, then let me know, because I will do another one, but I'll actually write out like a specific plan what I'm going to do and really smash it for you guys to follow if you do want to follow along. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're all taking care of yourselves and looking after family, friends, loved ones, neighbours during this mad time. But yeah, I'm gonna go walk the dog, have a shower and do whatever for the rest of the day in my house. But yeah, I'm gonna love and leave you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit different, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed, because I want to just continue to strive to put out good content for you. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, I will add, make sure you do some stretches after this. I'm going to do some stretches. Just put on like yoga stretches or stretches for after a exercise on YouTube, and there'll be loads and loads of really good ones to follow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to go and follow me over my Instagram just to keep up with me, and yeah, I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much.